Hello friends, is your check engine light on and your car running hotter than usual? If you've scanned your vehicle and found P0435, then don't ignore it. This code means there's an issue with the catalyst temperature sensor circuit on bank 2, which could lead to engine overheating, poor performance, and possible catalytic converter failure. In this video, I'll explain what P0435 means, its symptoms, sensor locations, and how to fix it. Let's dive in. What is P0435? The P0435 error code stands for Catalyst Temperature Sensor Circuit High, Bank 2. Your vehicle's catalytic converter helps control emissions by burning excess hydrocarbons. The catalyst temperature sensor monitors its temperature and sends data to the ECU, that's the engine control unit. If the sensor sends a signal that is too high, the ECU detects a problem and triggers the P0435 code. This could be due to a failing sensor, wiring issues, or an overheating catalytic converter. Common symptoms of P0435 include the check engine light being on, excessive heat from the exhaust system, reduced engine power, a strong sulfur or rotten egg smell from the exhaust, and rattling noises from the catalytic converter. If you're facing these issues, let's locate the components that may be causing the problem. The P0435 code affects the catalyst temperature sensor on bank 2, which is the side of the engine opposite cylinder 1. The catalyst temperature sensor on bank 2 is located on or near the catalytic converter on bank 2. The bank 2 catalytic converter is found in the exhaust system, connected to the exhaust manifold. The upstream O2 sensor, which is before the catalytic converter on bank 2, and the downstream O2 sensor, which is after the catalytic converter on bank 2, are also involved. The exhaust manifold on bank 2 is the starting point of the exhaust gases leading to the catalytic converter. Don't forget about the wiring and connectors, which are located along the exhaust system and ECU connections. A little tip, the exact location can vary by make and model, so check your service manual for detailed positioning. So let's dive into the common causes of the P0435 error code. First, a faulty catalyst temperature sensor. This sensor might be malfunctioning or providing incorrect high readings. Next, wiring or connector damage. Corroded, broken, or shorted wiring can cause false high signals. Then, catalytic converter overheating. This could be due to fuel mixture issues, excessive exhaust buildup, or a clogged catalytic converter. Also, faulty oxygen sensors. Incorrect O2 sensor readings can affect fuel trim and cause excessive heat. Lastly, ECU software issues. It's a rare one, but sometimes an ECU reflash is needed to correct false readings. Now, how do you fix the P0435 error code? Here are the steps you need to follow. First, scan your car with an OBD-II scanner to confirm P0435 and check for related codes. Second, locate the bank 2 catalyst temperature sensor and inspect it for damage, wear, or loose connections. Third, test the sensor's resistance using a multimeter. If the readings are out of spec, replace the sensor. Fourth, check the wiring and connectors for any burn marks, corrosion, or exposed wires. Repair if needed. Moving on, let's continue with the next steps. Step 5. Inspect the bank 2 catalytic converter. If it's overheating or rattling, it may be clogged or failing. Step 6. Test the oxygen sensors, both upstream and downstream, to ensure they are functioning correctly. Finally, Step 7. If everything checks out, reset the code and take a test drive to see if it comes back. The P0435 error code is a serious issue that can lead to engine overheating and catalytic converter failure. Check the temperature sensor, inspect the catalytic converter, and ensure your exhaust system is working properly. For more car troubleshooting guides, check out these videos next. P0152, O2 sensor circuit high voltage, bank 2 sensor 1, and P0153, O2 sensor circuit slow response, bank 2 sensor 1. Like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for more car repair tips.